welcome back. We're gonna be doing a major Ulta freaking haul and Sephora mini-ish kind of haul. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe down below and give the video a like if you do like it. Let's get into this. We have purchased a lot of things. I got rid of all of my old makeup. I got a lot of new makeup to try out. I just want to show you guys what I got during the Sephora savings sale. All right, guys, we got a lot of stuff to breeze through, so let's jump on into it. Start with Sephora first. First item is the Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin Foundation. This has been on my wish list for a long time, and today was 20% off. It was like a random sale. It wasn't VIB or anything, so I went and I ran. Got late to a bunch of events I had to go to. Girl, this is more important. Look at the packaging here, guys. I heard this makes your skin look just like a beautiful angelic skin. This one's also been in my radar forever. This is the Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation. Beautiful. Apparently it's undetectable. Haus Lab Foundation. This one is actually too dark for me. I don't want to open this. I'm gonna exchange it for something that's a little bit more lighter for me. This is like too dark. This is supposed to be medium neutral and it is like freaking tan neutral. First, I was afraid to try it out because I thought it would be just heavy and full coverage, but then I started seeing reviews and I started seeing people raving about this foundation, so I'm excited to try that one out. This one was also an item I purchased on the rave. This is the Ordinary Soothing Barrier Support Skin Serum. This is that serum that shows pink, like it's just like a pink drop. Pink and pretty. It's cute, it's cute. And I got the Kosas concealer. I am so excited to try this freaking $30 concealer. It looks so, ooh, nice wand. I hope it's high coverage because, you know, that's what I hope for. And then I got this like little gift. I think they gave it to me, like a little gift for free here. A nourishing mask from Amika. Thank you, Sephora. I got this blush from Patrick Ta, the Oh She's Different blush. I can never say that. They didn't have the one that I wanted, which is the She's Something Wonder or something. It's the burgundy one, and they had it out of stock, of course. So this was the second one that came closest to that one. Stunning, stunning, stunning. I freaking adore Patrick Ta blushes. His stuff is legit. Some Rare Beauty soft pinch blushes. We got this one in the color Grateful. Oh my God, you guys, there's this Instagrammer that I just saw pop up on my reels, and she had this beautiful blush, and I'm like, I need to have that because she just looks so beautiful. Looks like a crazy blush, like it's gonna be crazy, but just watch. Look how beautiful. I mean, look how stunning that blush is. Like, I need that cherry makeup. This one's in the color Grateful. Got this one in the color Love. This right here, legit perfect for fall. Let's just do a little swatcheroo. Oh my God, look at this, how beautiful. Then I also got the Rare Beauty Nearly Berry Stay Vulnerable Melting Blush. I'm so into these berry looks for the winter time. It is just the stunning, most beautiful. I'm the worst swatcher, guys. I gotta learn. So pretty, so pretty. I did get a few other things at Sephora a few weeks back, but I couldn't wait to use them. I couldn't wait for this video, so I just like use them. Giorgio Armani Lip Maestro in the color Redwood. That packaging, you guys. And I did swatch all of the red lipstick, and this is the one that just spoke to me because it is like this perfect red, like redwood. And this was also 40% off. That is such a beautiful burnt red, and it is freaking luxurious. The Makeup Forever Reboot Foundation, 50% off. I did read reviews on it, and it just looks very subtle on the skin, like a medium coverage, but you want it to cover, but you don't want it cakey. So apparently this does that. That concludes Sephora. Let's move on to Ulta. This is where I really splurged because Ulta had the most enormous sale. Enormous. I try to like restock on things that I actually use. So I did get the Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Dry Refreshing Shampoo. Makes your hair feel just clean like it's supposed to. Rice Water Himalayan Moringa shampoo. The moisture level up here is high moisture. I gotta stock up for my husband also. He uses the thickening shampoo from the Haus. This brand is just so good for your hair because it's like paraben free, sulfate free, and I need my locks to be on point. I, of course, had to restock on my Belief True Balm Aqua Cream. I always restock on this. Love this moisturizer because it just hydrates the life out of me at nighttime, and the next day I wake up with a baby's booty. Right? Okay, that sounds weird. Like my face is like a baby. Anyways, you all understand. We got Not Your Mother's Hydrating Sleep On It Serum Cream. So apparently you are supposed to put this at nighttime after you wash your hair. This is what you're supposed to leave on so your hair gets an extreme boost of hydration. I also got a beauty blend blender, 50% off, but it also comes with an entire like kit. Beauty blenders are like $25 or something like that, or 20. And anyways, why not? Why am I saying anyway so much? I can't with my life today. And then I also got the Maybelline Make It Last setting spray. I've never had this one before. I had the dewy one, but I wanted to try this one. Apparently this is a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury one, so we're about to try that out. Not right now though, like later. So I got the Tarte mascara. This one's the Lights Camera Action one. I never have used this one before, and that looks super cute. It was all the hype. They were like $12, and I think these mascaras run for like in the 20s. Get that deal, girl. This is the Lancome Hypnose Doll Lashes Mascara. I don't think I've tried this one out before. I have tried the Hypnose Drama, the regular one. It said doll lashes, and I'm like, I could use some of those lashes right now. It's like a nice little wand here. Good stuff. And then another mascara that I got was Beauty Counter All-in-One Mascara. I don't know why I got this one. Oh, maybe it was the packaging, but we'll find out. Oh, it was the packaging. This packaging, guys, like, come on, look at that. Surreal, I'm obsessed. Let's start with lip liners. This one is from Milani. This one's in the color Sugar Plum. It's a beautiful berry, very nice and creamy. That is stunning. This one's from Persona, and this one is in the color 90210. So let's see here. That is very beautiful. That can go with so many beautiful lip glosses and lip oils. I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the color Dazed. This is one of my absolute favorite lipsticks from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I have used this lipstick so many times. This is a repurchase because of how beautiful it is. Like, guys, this is the perfect shade for me, and the smoothness of this lip gloss or lipstick is just, it's incomparable. This beautiful color right there, guys. It just glides on so smoothly on the lips. So I had to get a repurchase of this because it's just that color for me. And I also got this Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick. This one's in the color Out Loud. Look at this color. It is like, it's not a peachy color, but it's like a brownie color. We are swatching everything today. And look at this, like a beautiful burnt orange kind of color. Obsessed. Another lip liner from Bare Minerals. This one's the Mineralist Lip Liners in the color Striking Spice. Oh my god, that is creamy. This is the KBD Tattoo Liner. I love it. I was in desperate need of an eyeliner. We got the Yummy Gloss Clean Fresh from CoverGirl. These are so good. I have like 2 or 3 shades. They're delicious. Look at the wand on this. It smells like a cherry pie. I also got the Milani Fruit Fetish Black Agave Lip Gloss. Look how pretty that is. That is so pretty. 2 lipsticks here, the Vinyl Stay liquid lipsticks. This one I saw another Instagrammer using this color. It looks dark, like black almost, but it's not. Look at that color. This one's in the shade Fearless. And then this one is in the shade Wicked. Look how pretty that color is. Actually looking more brighter on camera. It's a little bit less bright. So I got these 2 blushes. I got the Undone blush in Merlot. I love the Undone Cream to Cheek palette. It looks strikingly scary on camera. I mean, look at that. That is so beautiful. Oh my god, it feels cooling. CoverGirl Clean Fresh. This is a tinted lip balm. This one's in the color Bliss You Berry. I'm in that berry mood. You're not gonna take me out of it. I don't care if spring or winter comes. It's a stunning, beautiful, glossy lip. It doesn't smell like anything. Grand finale. They gave me this free gift bag with a bunch of goodies and the most viral stuff on Ulta. All free because I spent $90. Over $90. This is insane. Look at how much stuff I got. Let's get to it. Better Not Younger No Remorse Hydrating Shield for your hair. It's to shield it from the heat. Josie Maran Argan Daily Moisturizer SPF. The Broad Spectrum SPF. These gifts, they're not tiny samples, like they're actual mid-size samples. Frosting Glagage Body Wash from Ulta. The Confidence in a Cream. I love this moisturizer. I've actually purchased this a couple of times and I really love it. So it's good in hand. I could take that for travel. Grand Lash Enhancing Serum from Grandiose. MAC Stack Mega Lash Something Mascara. The Briogeo Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray. Sexy Lips Lip Injection from Too Faced. Is Instant Long-Term Lip Plumper. Super Goop Everyday Lotion with Sunflower Extract. And we also got the facial toner here from the brand Tayers. Redken Extreme Length Triple Action targets scalp and lengthens. Oh, it's for the hair. Saint Tropez Self Tanner. Gold Smile Stain Eraser. This is like for staining, I guess, like staining your teeth. We got a sample of the rollerball here from Benefit. Mars Bronzing Powder here in the color Laguna. It's Versace Eau de Toilette. It smells so good. It's a tiny little Versace perfume. How cute is that? Clean Styler's Root Lift from the brand Fekai. I've never heard of this brand before, but apparently this is good for your roots. Mineral Sunscreen from Pipette. Instant conditioning, instant shampoo, and an instant repair serum from the brand IKG. Payday. I need a payday right now. This is ridiculous. Eye mask here, Reset from Loops, an eye mask. Juice Beauty Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer. Looks tiny, so if it's tiny, it's mighty. Maximist Bare Minerals. This is a mascara. Shimmering body oil here from the brand Rituals. I love Ouai. This is the hair oil. I actually really love the hair oil and I'm running out of that. Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Removing Cleanser. Olaplex, ooh, Nourishing Hair Serum. I like Olaplex. Living Proof 5-in-1 styling treatment. The Vacation Classic Lotion, another SPF here. ABH Clear Brow Gel. KVD Tattoo Liner. I have Mario Badescu Brightening Eye Serum. We got the Tula Brightening Treatment Drops and the CeraVe Facial Lotion Moisturizer. CeraVe is like so much cheaper than all these kinds of things. Y'all could have done better. Put a bigger bottle in there, you know. It's okay. Why am I complaining? I got like 90 freaking things here. That completes this haul video. Thank you so much for watching. If you got through this end, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a comment down below. Give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.